Adding sequins to the pocket edge of shorts or jeans is so easy. You don't need any advanced sewing skills. Just a few sequins will add sparkle and shine to a plain garment. We use 20mm top hole round sequins. These are purple hologram. Before you start, set out your sequins along the pocket edge so that you can decide how you want them spaced, far apart or close together. Bring your needle up through the back of the pocket and through the hole in the top of the sequin. And then back down through the fabric. Repeat this stitch a couple of times to make sure the sequin is firmly anchored. Then bring your needle up a short distance from the first one and add your second sequin, and so on, until you have finished the pocket edge. In no time at all, you'll have a great pair of embellished shorts or jeans.